I got bands in the coop, busting out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I shoot. Ay, shake a little, ay, look a little, ay. What's up, guys? It's your girl Imperfect Sema. Today I'm here with yet another freaking video. So today, as you guys can see by the title, yet another makeup video, but not a full face makeup. Basically gonna be doing an updated eyebrow routine. I don't even think I've did an eyebrow routine yet. I know I did an eye makeup with like eyeshadow and all of that stuff, which really didn't work out that good, so y'all go check out that video. And I really don't do my eyebrows the same. I know I just posted a video of me getting my makeup slayed that's featuring my cousin Cheyenne. Y'all go check that video out as well. Before we get into the video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe to my channel because you won't be disappointed. I'm not really going anywhere today. I guess I'll be home just filming this, editing this, doing what I do. Without me rambling on anymore, let's go ahead and get into the video. First of all, I have all of my supplies right here with me. Y'all already know my go-to, and excuse my nails, I know they look bad, but I know y'all know my go-to stuff. This is the Ardell brow pomade in the color dark brown. I also have my concealer. This is the LA Colors concealer. This is the color Deep LA Colors concealer. I have my little spoolie, and I also have my makeup brush or whatever to apply the pomade. And sometimes I do use like my mascara to sculpt or whatever, but I doubt I'm gonna be using that today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this eyebrow tutorial. First of all, what I do is I actually just spoolie my eyebrows up. Spoolie. And I kind of like to push them forward a little bit just so my hair is at the beginning right here. See how I pull it this way? So they'll stand up the proper way. And it won't give that like slanted look or whatever. It really doesn't take me long to do my eyebrows, especially when they're like arched or whatever the correct way. I really need to get my eyebrows done again though. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year, you guys. I know I just posted a video, but that video was actually filmed the day after Christmas, but I'm just posting it like today, and now I'm recording this video. So yeah, your girl's trying to get on the ball. But we just had some editing issues with the last video, which is why I wasn't posted until today. But yeah, Happy New Year's, you guys. I haven't gotten to say it. This is my first time seeing you guys in the new year, really. So it's 2019. How was you guys' 2019 going so far today? I believe today's like, I think it's like the 17th or something like that. I believe today's the 17th. Let's go ahead and get into these eyebrows. I definitely got to get me a new brush. I'm not even about to show y'all my brush because this thing is, child, bless your little heart. So yeah, we're just gonna apply in an upward motion first. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not. Let me get down. But I'll apply in an upward motion, starting from the tip. Following my natural arch. Telling y'all, my eyebrow tutorial is not long. Well, the way I do my eyebrows, it really doesn't take long. But I don't see how people take so long on their dang on eyebrows, y'all. It ain't no way it take y'all 30 and 45 minutes just on eyebrows. Like, I done seen people take forever and a day on eyebrows. Like, no way, slay. So that's that part. So basically, I won't say I'm done with the pomade, but for now, I'm done with the pomade. Now I take my spoolie. I don't clean it up yet. I like to on my beginning, like blend it out, because that's just too dark and not natural looking. So when you kind of blend it out, and you don't want to take too much away, because then it'll look kind of choppy. It'll look mad light right here, and all of a sudden, boom, it's dark out of nowhere. So you don't want to take too much off the beginning. You basically just want to fade it out and brush upwards and stuff while you're doing it. This is how I do mine. I'm not sure how everybody else do their routine or whatever. I think I'm satisfied with that. It doesn't take much for my eyebrows, y'all. And then my concealer. What I do is, it really doesn't matter. I'll find anything to squirt me a little bit of concealer on. Just not much. Basically, like I said, I'll just squirt some out like that. And on the corner of it, I'll just scrape it off like that to where my brush is actually flat. And I'll flatten it out some more like that. For some reason, I like using a flat brush on my eyebrows. Just put some on the tip of my brush, and then that's when we'll fix. I took too much off my tips, so like I said, I'm not actually done with the pomade. This is just like me getting it right or whatever. And then I'll go back in and I'll fill in where it needs to be filled in, take off where it needs to be taken off, and correct what needs to be corrected. So yeah, now this is the one right here. Definitely don't want to take off too much. I want to bring this out some more. This is the worst part. Like, this is what takes the longest, actually trying to get them right and correcting and fixing. Like, one of the hardest parts of like the eyebrows, period. You don't want smoke, baby, please believe me. And you can look at easy, touch me, taste me, squeeze me. Once he do that, he'll never let me you and the rest of your crew, cause I'll take your nigga and I keep mine too. Okay, let me stop playing. Basically fix the tips. Close your mouth, sir. Close your mouth. reason my eyebrows seem like mad uneven. Like, are they even to y'all? I guess so. Okay, let me just fix this right here. Take some of that. That's my eyebrows, you guys. I'll basically just take this. Bring it down, 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 down. Justin Bieber used to say it. It's going down, 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 down. All for you, I would have up forever. And I just can't believe we ain't together. I wanna play it cool, end up losing you. I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you any ring, and I'm in pieces. And just shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. I'm going down, down, down. So yeah, that is my eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't really do too much. It didn't take too much products. It don't never take too many products on my eyebrows. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, leave your comments down below, feedback, all of that. Also, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget, share this video with all your family, friends, everybody. And with that being said, Imperfect Empire, we're out.